Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your iPhone model supports dynamic island widgets, then install Widgy and the Shortcuts app. Once done, grant permissions for widget configuration and file access so the apps can communicate. Next, obtain a dynamic island template or create PNG assets sized to the island area. This ensures proper alignment. You do this now to avoid rework later, because correct assets and permissions save time when you configure live data and interactions. You now build the widget inside Widgy. Open the app, create a new widget, and pick a blank canvas or the dynamic island template. Add image layers for the pill shape, then text layers for time or status. Position them precisely. Once placed, attach interactive behaviors by linking layers to shortcuts or URL schemes so taps trigger actions. Make sure to use fixed sizes and anchor points. This prevents jitter when the island animates and lets you preview behavior before exporting. You finish by exporting the widget from Widgy and adding it to the home screen or smart stack positioned to mimic the dynamic island. Then test interactions. Tap behaviors, live updates, and refresh intervals set in Widgy and Shortcuts. If something is off, adjust anchors, image size, and layer ordering, and reduce refresh frequency to save battery. One key troubleshooting tip: if alignment shifts on rotation, lock orientation or tweak anchor points and asset margins. This usually fixes misplacement quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.